Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview ProTeam Winter Mix. ProTeam Winter Mix protects your pool against staining, algae growth, bacteria, and all other threats throughout the long winter months, eliminating much of the work from spring openings. Its formula is compatible with most common sanitizing systems and will drastically cut the amount needed to treat your pool next season, saving you money. Best of all, Winter Kit is made right here in the USA to ensure the highest quality, allowing you to buy with confidence. Product benefits. Simple, one-step product. Helps lock in pH and alkalinity. Sub-zero crystals help protect pool surfaces from staining and scaling. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.